어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고잉 이불 속에서 고잉 고잉은 언제나 너에게 고잉 고잉.
Excuse me. Yes, miss. Good morning. Welcome to our office. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. So, miss, can I help you?
Yes, I would like to book a morning to Australia for 2024. Is there any seat available?
Oh, yes, miss. Please candle wait. I'm going to take this for you.
Okay.
Apology, our morning flights on April 4, 2024 are fully booked. But there is one set available at 20 past 5 by Blue Sky Airlines if you still need flights on that day.
That is fine.
Okay, miss, for the registration purpose, may I have your name?
Yes, Elsa.
Okay?
E.L.S.A.
Okay, it's done, Miss Elsa. We have booked a ticket on April 4, 2024 at 20 past 5 by Blue Sky Airlines. So, Miss, please complete the payment. You can complete the payment before 3rd on April 2024. You may visit our office for the payment process. So, Miss, this is our ticket. Maybe can I help you?
No, thank you. I will drop by at 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay, Miss. Thank you very much for your ticket booking on my office. So, see you tomorrow.
You are welcome. See you too.
Yes, Miss. Bye.